Sam, this airport is huge.
I know, there's so many people everywhere.
And look at all those airplanes outside. This feels exciting and a little scary at the same time.
Are you nervous?
A little. This is my first international flight.
Don't worry, I'm here with you.
Thanks, Sam. I hope my English is good enough.
Of course it is. Airports use very simple English.
Really?
Yes, most conversations are short and easy.
That makes me feel better.
Today, we'll learn useful airport English together.
Sounds fun.
Ready for our adventure?
Yes, let's go inside. Wow, look at that giant screen.
That's the flight information board.
There are so many city names. I can see Tokyo, Paris, London, Dubai.
Yes, airports connect people from all over the world. Airports are like small international cities.
How do we find our flight?
First, we look for our airline and flight number.
Oh, I see it. Flight 308 to London.
Great. It says check-in counter B12.
Okay, I'm starting to feel more confident now.
That's good. Small steps make a big difference. Let's go there.
Good evening. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just 2 suitcases.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay,
Your bag is within the weight limit.
that's good to hear.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I think a window seat, please.
Excellent choice. The view during takeoff is beautiful.
I'm excited to see it.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A15 and boarding begins at 7:20 p.m.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful flight.
Thanks. Ah, we finished the first step.
See, that wasn't difficult at all.
The staff spoke very clearly.
Airport staff are used to helping travelers.
I liked the phrase window seat or aisle seat.
Yes, that's very common airport English.
Window seat means next to the window, and aisle seat means next to the walkway.
Perfect, you're learning fast.
I'm happy I understood it.
Your confidence is growing already. Soon you'll speak naturally without fear.
I hope so. Oh wow, the security line is long.
Yes, airports take security very seriously.
I feel nervous again.
Don't worry, just follow the instructions.
Please place your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Please remove your jacket and electronics.
Oh, my laptop too?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Please walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. You may collect your belongings now.
Thank you.
You're doing fine.
I always worry I'm doing something wrong.
Everyone feels that way at airports, but you did a great job.
Airports have so many rules.
Yes, but the rules help keep everyone safe.
That makes sense.
Traveling teaches patience, too. Now, let's relax a little.
Yes, please. I need coffee after all that stress.
Look, there's a cafe over there.
It smells amazing.
Airports always have good coffee shops. What do you want to order?
I think I'll get cappuccino and chocolate cake.
And I want an iced coffee.
Great choice.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get 1 cappuccino and 1 chocolate cake, please?
Of course. Anything else?
1 iced coffee, please.
Sure. Your total is $14.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much. Wow, this cappuccino is delicious.
My iced coffee is really refreshing too.
Airport cafes feel cozy somehow.
Yes, people sit here before big journeys.
Some people look excited and some people look sleepy.
I see a little kid looking at the airplanes outside.
Airplanes are magical when you're young.
Honestly, they still feel magical to me.
Wow, look at all these stores. This is the duty-free shopping area.
Everything looks luxurious here.
Airports love expensive shopping. I see perfumes, chocolates, bags, and watches.
Travelers often buy gifts here.
This perfume smells amazing.
Try this one too.
Oh, wow, this one smells fresh and elegant.
Which one do you like more?
I can't decide. Both smell nice. Airports are dangerous places for shopping lovers.
That's true. Look at those giant chocolate boxes.
They look delicious. Should we buy snacks for the flight?
Definitely. Flying makes me hungry.
I also want gum for the airplane.
Good idea. It helps during takeoff.
Really?
Yes, chewing gum helps your ears.
Good travel tip. Experienced travel advice. I'm learning so many things today. Sam, let's sit near the window.
Good idea. The view is amazing here.
Wow, look at that airplane taking off. It moves so fast.
And then, suddenly, it's flying in the sky. Airplanes are incredible machines.
I love watching them.
Every airplane is carrying people to different countries.
New adventures, new memories, new experiences. Airports feel emotional somehow.
Yes, some people are saying goodbye, and some people are meeting loved ones again.
Airports are full of happy and sad moments.
That's true. Look at the sunset outside.
Wow, the sky is beautiful. Orange, pink, and purple together. Traveling during sunset feels special. I want to take a picture.
Go ahead.
Smile, Sam.
Like this?
Perfect.
Let me take one of you too.
Okay.
Wow, this picture looks amazing.
Really? Let me see.
The airport lights in the background look beautiful.
I love it. This will become a special memory.
Attention passengers for Flight 308 to London. Boarding will begin shortly at gate A15.
That's our flight.
Yep, time to go.
My stomach feels nervous again. What if I get scared during takeoff?
That's normal before flying. Just relax and enjoy the moment.
I'll try. Okay, let's do this.
Good evening. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. We're really doing this. I can't believe we're going to London.
Adventure starts now.
Wow, the airplane is bigger inside than I imagined.
And look at all these seats.
I'm happy I chose the window seat. The view will be incredible.
The seats are actually comfortable.
Better than I expected, too. I can already see the airport lights outside. Night flights are beautiful. Everything looks shiny from here.
Flying at night feels magical.
Welcome aboard. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Seatbelt fastened.
Perfect. Look outside the window.
Wow, the airplane lights are beautiful. The airplane begins moving slowly. Oh, we're moving.
Here we go.
Wow, the airplane is getting faster.
Look outside.
Oh my gosh, we're flying.
Welcome to the sky.
Wow, this city looks tiny from up here, and the lights look beautiful. This is incredible.
Are you still scared?
No, now I'm excited.
See, you did it.
I feel proud of myself. Today I learned so much English.
Like what?
May I see your passport? Window seat or aisle seat? Please place your bag on the belt.
Perfect.
Airport English is easier than I thought.
Exactly. Short and simple English works best.
I feel much more confident now, and this is only the beginning of our journey.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.